Okay, now question 8 presents a very interesting problem. We don't actually have the substitution variable u given to us, so we have to figure it out for ourselves. How do we do this? Well, remember your substitution law. Your substitution law always says the integral of f of g of x. So this is your first clue. Look for a composite function. Look for a function inside a function. And the law says this with respect to dx is equal to, what do? We just replace gx with another variable u. And so the hunt begins. Let's look at our little term inside here. X squared is clearly not a composite function. It's just a simple function. On the other hand, this is clearly a composite function. So let's start making our connections. Here, the f of something, the function on the outside, is e to the power something. The function on the inside is x cubed. So the g of x is x cubed. Now that we figured that out, it's very simple to make the connection. Our substitution is g of x is equal to u. So here, u is going to be x cubed. Very simple. Isn't that straightforward? Yeah. So u is equal to x cubed. Now, the next step is to turn our attention to what else we need to get rid of. Our substitution takes care of this term. So the leftover is x squared times dx. How do we get rid of this? Well, just differentiate u with respect to x, and it'll all work out. Du over dx is equal to 3x squared. I need to get rid of x squared times dx. So I'm going to do a little cross multiplication, bring the dx up here, take the 3 down here, and all of a sudden I have du divided by 3 is x squared dx. So this is what I'm going to replace x squared dx with. Once we've done that, we're ready to make our substitutions. I'm going to put this substitution law in a box, just for convenience sake. And we continue the problem down here. Let's make our substitutions now. First, I'm going to replace the e to the x cubed by e to the power u. Then I'm going to replace x squared dx with du divided by 3. But this is such an easy integration problem. It's very simple. The integration of e to the power u is just e to the power u. And nothing happens to a constant, so it just remains there. The only thing we have to remember is our constant of integration, because this is an indefinite integral. Now, last step, replace the u's with x's. So we have e to the power x cubed again, plus c. And that's the final answer.